Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Nextdoor app. So all you have to do in the first, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Just click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open with you here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on my activity here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here until you find here post you are subscribed to. Can you disable it here for email and here for app. Then here for next door notifications, just click on it. Like you see color it's gone, that means it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.